Well, I appear to have a spaceship on my head. Don't worry, it's not. It was sold to me as a hat. I'm wearing it as a hat. It just happens to have a wide brim. We're going to go with it. I don't want to do my hair today. Do you want to see what's underneath? Should I show you what's... So I think you can safely say we should keep it on. Right, this video is not about a hat. It's about this beauty that's just come in the post. Molly May has done a little collaboration. And I've been lucky enough to get one. So which I have been waiting for, I don't know, maybe like 2 weeks. And I'm sorry. It's mainly for this. It's mainly for this. I'm not going to lie. So she's done a collaboration with Cosmetips with Molly May. Can you see it written on the bottom? And oh my gosh, it's the size of my head. It's perfect. I love square bottom. All right, let's go more rectangle. Rectangle bottom based cosmetic bags or storage bags. You can open them up so easily. I also am obsessed with gold hardware. You won't find anything silver in my home. Even my doorknobs are gold. Everything is gold. It all matches because it needs to match me, darling. So I wanted to get this mainly as storage for when I travel, when I'm on jobs, because you can lift up the lid and take out that packing and you can put things in it facing up so the bottles can be up so I can see down into it. The inside is like a gorgeous suede effect. It smells nice. The only thing I would say is it's probably going to get dirty as a makeup artist in my kit. But I thought I would just unbox with you and let you see everything that's in there. So, of course, a little explanation booklet. Cosmetips from Molly May, looking bloody lush. And then everything that's inside it. No, this was, how much did this cost me? I don't know. I want to say about £80. And I thought, for my job, having another little spare set or a little extra fill up of makeup brushes, not a bad thing. I use my Kitco all the time. These are brushes that I have in my kit. I knew sometimes when you get brush sets that there are some bits in there you won't really use. I mean, I have 100 powder brushes. Not, you know, not super necessary, but I knew another spoolie is always handy. Another little angle brush there is always super, super handy. Blending brushes, this is a bit like a MAC 214. Anyway, a really nice selection of brushes. So I thought for that alone, with the price reduction, it was very worth it. Bergamot and Jasmine Bath and Shower Gel. Now, this is something I wouldn't buy. I use soap because I hate using plastic for no reason. I don't need a shower gel to make myself clean. Is it a lovely thing to own? Absolutely. Let me just... God, it smells like a spa. It's so nice. Sometimes I just think, oh, why don't I let myself? But I use so much plastic because of my job. I just think, you know what? I'm just going to, where I don't need it, I'm not going to use it. I will keep this, and this will be lovely. Oh, in fact, I could actually gift it for someone for Christmas, or is that bad? No, but I can, because I did pay for it. Sometimes when I give stuff for Christmas, I'm really worried that, or birthdays, I'm worried that people think I haven't paid for them because I might have sent them. Anyway, this is staying very much for me. Neon candle. How much would this be normally, do you think? Retail price. This one is Neroli, Mimosa and Lemon. Oh God, it's so bloody nice. It's so fresh. I don't know, that's got to be, it's got to be 30 quid. I don't know, I never buy candles. I never buy nice things for myself, which is another reason why I wanted to get this package, because it had things that I would use and wouldn't let myself buy, and it was just a massive treat. But also, I mainly wanted this and the stuff in it. A scrunchie by, oh, it's Molly May's filter scrunchie. So it's her range of tan and a scrunchie, which is perfect, and it's toweling. I have one little thin black scrunchie, but I don't own any flumpy scrunchies, and they're so blooming good for protecting your hair so the elastic doesn't snag your hair. Eve Lom Rescue Mask. So a really intensive, highly hydrating rescue mask to put on, rinse off, save your skin. A honey infused Caroline Kane mask, Eve Lom Rescue Mask. We'll be using, never a bad thing to own. Absolutely perfect MAC lipstick in Honey Love. That will go straight into my kit. Can you see that? Just a really great colour. Do you want to see the colour? Let's get this out. This is a lovely, I would say it's a brown nude. It's definitely not a pink nude, it's definitely more of a brownie nude. Can I get that there? Quite pale. Depends how pale you like with lips. I would say fair to dark tan on the skin, maybe a light brown. Okay, here we've got Illuminating Moisture Brown. Now, this is something by Bobbi Brown that's already been my kit. It's a slightly shimmery but not glittery moisturizer that really looks beautiful underneath. A really glowing makeup, helps the makeup slip around the face. Probably best to use it before a huge amount of fine lines are there, because it can highlight fine lines. Stila Stay a Day Waterproof Eyeliner. Now this is the eyeliner that I use every single day. This one is in dark brown. I do wish it was black, I'm not going to lie, but it's handy to have another one for my kit, and I know I absolutely love this liner. It's one of the best, so not a bad thing to have. I do wish it was black. I wonder if it was like there was like a bulk on brown and not black, or whether it's just because Molly uses brown every day, which I actually think is probably more the reason. I can imagine her wearing brown a lot. And then a beautiful lip pencil by MAC that will go immediately into my kit, and that is in Whirl. In fact, I've already got a couple of these, so this will go into storage. This has got, how many months do we have on this? Doesn't say. But I could get about a year out of that. Can you see that? If I block me. Gorgeous, gorgeous tone, which will look perfect with the lipstick. So that's that on the lips, and then the final thing is a By Terry Brightening CC palette. So, you know brightening is going to mean shimmer, and then maybe a little caveat with this absolutely stunning palette. Gosh, it's gorgeous. That. Hang on a second, these don't look too bad. Can you see that? These don't look too shimmery, my friends. There is a bit, I mean, obviously there's shimmer because it's a brightening palette. That doesn't, can you see that? That is like a very barely there. That actually just might be a really lovely blush. Shall I pop a little bit on with my, oh God, my hair, it's everywhere, sorry. I'm just not a powder highlighter girl. I absolutely detest it, but is this such a fine, I think this could be such a fine shimmer that it might even you can get away as a really nice blush. I am pleasantly surprised. I was really thinking this was going to be a really heavily shimmery palette. People were going to go like this on their cheeks with it, and then anyone post 27 might see things highlighted that they didn't want to see, or spots. But it doesn't appear to be that way. Over the moon with the whole bag. If you want me to make any tutorials on each individual product or put the look together, I bloomin' will. See you soon.